Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into essential techniques to protect your garden from extreme weather conditions like heat, frost and storms. From the scorching sun of the desert to the icy plains of the Arctic, the natural world is a testament to the remarkable resilience of life. Even the most delicate of plants have evolved ingenious strategies to thrive in the face of adversity. In our gardens, we too can learn from nature's wisdom. By understanding the challenges posed by extreme weather and employing simple yet effective techniques, we can create havens of life that flourish even in the most demanding conditions. Just as a thick layer of leaves insulates the forest floor, mulch acts as a protective blanket for your garden soil. Composed of organic materials like bark, straw, or compost, mulch offers a multitude of benefits, especially during periods of extreme weather. In the heat of summer, mulch acts as an insulator, preventing the sun's rays from baking the soil and causing excessive evaporation. This helps to retain moisture, reducing the need for frequent watering and providing a more stable environment for plant roots. During winter's chill, mulch again plays a critical role, this time protecting plant roots from the damaging effects of frost. Just as a warm blanket wards off the cold, a thick layer of mulch helps to moderate soil temperatures, preventing the freezing and thawing that can damage delicate root systems. But the benefits of mulch extend beyond temperature regulation. It also helps to suppress weeds, preventing competition for vital resources and reducing the need for herbicides. As organic matter breaks down, it enriches the soil, providing essential nutrients for healthy plant growth. This natural process improves soil structure, enhancing drainage and aeration, which are essential for robust root development. So, whether you're facing scorching heat or bitter cold, remember the power of mulch. This simple yet effective technique can make all the difference in helping your garden withstand the challenges of extreme weather. In the wild, trees provide a natural canopy, offering shade and protection from the sun's intense rays. In our gardens, we can recreate this effect using shade cloth, a versatile material that provides a welcome respite for plants during periods of extreme heat. Shade cloth is available in a variety of densities, allowing you to tailor the level of protection to the specific needs of your plants. For delicate seedlings or plants particularly susceptible to sun scald, a denser shade cloth will provide the greatest protection. For more established plants or those that prefer partial shade, a lighter density shade cloth will allow some sunlight to filter through, while still offering protection from the most intense rays. Installing shade cloth is relatively simple and can be done using stakes, hoops, or existing structures. It's important to ensure that the cloth is taut to prevent it from flapping in the wind and potentially damaging delicate plants. During periods of extreme heat, shade cloth can mean the difference between thriving plants and wilted foliage. By reducing the amount of direct sunlight, shade cloth helps to keep plants cooler, reducing stress and promoting healthy growth. It also helps to prevent the soil from drying out too quickly, reducing the need for frequent watering and conserving water, a precious resource, especially during times of drought. So as the sun beats down, remember the value of shade. By providing a temporary canopy for your plants, you can help them weather the heat and continue to thrive in your garden. As winter approaches, many gardeners resign themselves to the dormancy of their gardens. But with a little ingenuity, we can extend the growing season and provide a haven for our plants even as temperatures plummet. Enter the cold frame, a simple yet ingenious structure that offers protection from frost and extends the growing season. The cold frame acts like a miniature greenhouse, trapping heat from the sun during the day and providing insulation from the cold at night. This creates a microclimate within the frame, allowing plants to thrive even when temperatures outside dip below freezing. Cold frames can be built from a variety of materials, including wood, brick, or even recycled windows. The key is to create a structure that is well insulated and allows for adequate ventilation. During the day, the sun's rays pass through the transparent cover of the cold frame, warming the air and soil inside. As temperatures drop at night, the insulated walls and cover of the frame help to retain this heat, protecting plants from frost. Ventilation is crucial for preventing overheating during the day and excessive humidity, which can lead to fungal diseases. Most cold frames have lids or vents that can be opened and closed to regulate temperature and airflow. Whether you're overwintering tender plants, starting seeds early in the spring, or simply extending the harvest season, a cold frame can be an invaluable tool for any gardener. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. Stay safe and happy gardening. By understanding the challenges posed by extreme weather and embracing these simple yet effective techniques, we can create gardens that not only survive, but thrive in the face of adversity. Let us cultivate resilience in our gardens and in ourselves, working in harmony with nature to create spaces of beauty, abundance, and life.